Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the benefits of cooking food at home and the money you're going to save on it. Either is it because we are busy or we are lazy, cooking food at home becomes a very difficult task, and without we even giving a second thought, we just open the food delivery app, order our favorite food online, and the food gets delivered to our doorsteps within few minutes, and we just enjoy eating it. This has become so much easy that it actually makes us so lazy and we lose our interest in cooking food at home. But it's high time, guys, that we should understand the advantages and the benefits of home cooked meals. Honestly, guys, I have found out that no matter how famous the restaurant is or how tasty the food is at the restaurant, preparing food by myself at home, in other words, home cooked meals, is always being the best option. So without we even wasting our time, let's see what are the advantages and the benefits of home cooked meals. There are a lot of advantages and benefits of homemade meals, but I'm going to talk about a few most important advantages and benefits of homemade meals. So the first advantages of homemade meals is that it saves a lot of money. Always remember that the money which you are paying for a plate of food at any restaurant does not just cover for the food alone, but it also includes the operational cost of the restaurant, like the staff, electricity, water, maintenance, etc. So instead of spending a lot of money on eating food outside, it's always a good option to focus on homemade meals and save a lot of money. For example, if a person is spending a minimum of rupees 300 on breakfast, lunch, dinner, and assume that if a person is having 10 days outside, that means 300 into 10 is 3000 rupees. I'm talking about minimum charges. In metro cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Hyderabad, it will definitely be a lot more money. So 3000 rupees into 12 months, that is 36,000 rupees a year. So think about it, guys, it's actually a huge amount. So just think, if you can spend a little time creating a proper meal plan and a comprehensive grocery list, then definitely you're going to save a lot of money. The second benefit of homemade meal is that it saves a lot of time. It's just that sometimes we become so foolish and we think that ordering our food online or having a meal at any restaurant saves a lot of time. But did we actually think that how much time we are wasting choosing our food from the online menu or getting ready, going to a restaurant, ordering our food and waiting there till the food gets arrived actually takes a lot of time. So instead, it's always a good option that we can prepare our homemade meals at home, which is healthy and tasty as well. And also, there are a lot of healthy and tasty recipes which can be just cooked within half an hour to 20 minutes, and you can save a lot of time. The third and the last most important benefit of homemade meals is that homemade meals are always good for health. It's said that health is wealth. If there is no health, there is no wealth. You know well what your body needs. So when you cook food at home, you will be in control of calorie intake you consume, and you can have control over calories, fat, etc. It also helps you to prevent from various diseases because we make sure that our kitchen is clean and tidy, the food is covered all the time and is hygienic. Lastly, there is a saying, if you don't eat food like drugs, then you will have to eat drugs like food one day. So think about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all soon in my next video. If you like my video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.